Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः 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 प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भगवान् श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 ओम भगवान 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 श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। शांति शांति शांति।
There was one gentleman who had come from Bangalore, and he had brought a camera with him, and the whole morning, this entire schedule which was described, he had a wonderful time photographing Swami, doing all of these things. But the problem was, he had exhausted all his film by the time Swami went to Chitravati. So at around 4 o'clock, as I said, Swami gathers everybody, goes to Chitravati, and Swami tells him, "Hey, photographer, come here. I'm going to materialize on Shirdi locket. Come, take a photo." Otherwise, Swami was very, very shy when it came to photographs. The devotees would say the moment somebody would come for a photograph, Swami would start blushing. That day, some leela had to happen. So Swami said, "Hey, photographer, come, take a photo." So this person with a very sad face, he said, "Swami, I have exhausted all my film. What do I do?" Swami said, "Ayo papam, no film." So Swami calls him. And Swami asks, "What camera do you use? What specification of the film? What ISO?" All that Swami asks. And then Swami waves his hand and produces the film which is perfect for the camera. And Swami gives it to him, "Ipuduti, now you take." And Swami nicely poses the entire session. Beautiful photographs were taken. And then Swami looks at the photographer and Swami says, "Happy?" I said, "Yes, Swami, very happy." "Now give back my film," Swami says. So very hesitantly that man opens the camera and gives the film to Swami. So what does Swami do? Swami takes the film in his left hand, puts it behind his back, and with his right hand he starts giving the photographs. There was no dark room, there was no chemical required, there was no processing required. Swami gave the film and Swami was processing the film and giving the photographs. That was the surprise element in every Chitravati session.
विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना गौरी नंदन मूषिक वाहन गौरी नंदन मूषिक वाहन विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life. Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life. Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life. Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the endless light, the light that is my very life. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राजीव लोचन राजीव लोचन ईश्वराम्ब सुत जय जगवंदन ईश्वराम्ब सुत जय जगवंदन
जननी साई देवी दयामयी जननी साई देवी दयामयी जननी साई देवी दयामयी जननी साई देवी दयामयी जननी मां कृपालिनी मां जननी मां कृपालिनी मां जननी मां कृपालिनी मां जननी मां कृपालिनी मां तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां दायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी साई देवी दयामयी कृपालिनी मां जननी मां कृपालिनी मां तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां दया करो सत्य साई मां प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां जननी साई देवी दयामयी अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम, येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम, येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम, राष्ट्र महावीर तुम, राष्ट्र महावीर तुम, राष्ट्र महावीर तुम, राष्ट्र महावीर तुम, साई राम तुम, साई कृष्ण 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 तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रिय तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रिय तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, कली युग में साई 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 प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रिय तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम, येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम, येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम, सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम, सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम, साई राम तुम, साई कृष्ण तुम, साई राम तुम, साई कृष्ण तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम, कली युग में साई प्रभु तुम, कली युग में साई प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम।
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर,
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 हर हर शंकर महादेवा,
हर हर शंकर महादेवा,
हर हर शंकर महादेवा,
हर हर शंकर महादेवा,
हर हर महादेवा,
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोपिकमाला हारी प्यारी माई मीर मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय गोपिकमाला हारी प्यारी माई मीर मन विहार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय राम कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय बाल कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीम दाओ तु रहीम दाओ तु वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
In this world we find the devotion and also sincerity.
కానీ ఈనాడు దీనికి తగినటువంటి ఒక సమయం ఏర్పడింది కనుకనే దీన్ని పరిశుద్ధం గావించేటువంటి ఒక ఇది మనం చేయాలి.
This is the time for rectification, for correction in a proper direction.
గంగను ఏ విధంగా పరిశుద్ధం చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేశారో,
the day when you try to purify and correct,
ఆ విధంగానే మానవుని యొక్క హృదయంలో పొంగేటువంటి యొక్క ఈ భక్తి భావాలంతా పరిశుద్ధం చేయాలి.
Then that purifies all the feelings of devotion in your heart.
మాటలతో ఇది పనికిరాదు.
The words will not help you.
చేతలతో పని చేయాలి.
Your actions will help you.
మనసు మాట క్రియయు మనిషికి ఒక్కటి అయినా,
the thought, word and deed should be one.
మనసు మాట క్రియ ఒక్కటి కావాలి.
In fact, thought, word and deed should be one.
మనసు ఒక చోటు, మాట మరొక చోటు, థాట్ ఇంకొక చోటు. ఇవి ఉంటుంటే ప్రయోజనం ఏమిటి?
If thought, word and deed are at variance, what is the fun of it? What is the use of it?
మూడింటి యొక్క ఏకత్వం కావాలి.
The harmony and the unity of the three is necessary.
The proper study of mankind is man.
That's what is said. The proper study of mankind is man.
మనసు,
mind,
మాట,
word,
క్రియ
and action.
మూడింటి యొక్క ఏకత్వం కావాలి.
Should be unified, should be united.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदेवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शरणा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंदर गिरिधारी ॐ जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Peace, 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 peace on earth. Peace, peace, peace for all the universe, for all the universe, for all the universe. जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की